Hello everyone, Matt here with Torque King. Today we are showcasing the TK11402 Premium Front CV Drive Shaft for Ram 4500 and Ram 5500 trucks. This CV drive shaft is a complete flange-to-flange drive shaft that features a greasable CV joint, long-lasting Torque King factory lubed U-joints with cold forged crosses, a long travel boot protected slip joint, and serrated front flange yoke. The TK11402 fits all 2008 to 2018 Ram 4500 and Ram 5500 4x4 trucks with Cummins diesel engines. This CV shaft is precision built in the USA for exacting standards for your toughest work applications. Yet it is priced lower than the factory stock replacement shaft. Be sure to click on the link below for more tech notes and applications, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, or visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey there friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web at the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and a comment on what you saw. Let us know if you want to see a different product featured here. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new content. We have new content coming out every week. We appreciate having you along while we grow this channel. Thanks for watching, and good luck keeping your rig on the road.